Hi everyone, this is remedy for cough and flu. Okay, if you have a baby, if you have a teenager, this is very effective. Okay, so we have orange that I've cut down here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be sprinkling some salt, some white salt, just like this on top of the orange. So just like that. Then I'm gonna use my fork to keep on punching the orange, punching the surface of the orange. The orange is it's not stable. That's why it's moving around, because I'm using one hand to hold my phone to do this. So what you're gonna do, you're just gonna keep keep punching your fork at the middle of the orange. Okay, so you do it all around and put it in the plate. Put it in the plate and cover it up with this very one, and you put it in microwave for two minutes. After 2 minutes, you bring it out, then you squeeze it in the cup, and whoever is going to drink it can drink it. Very, very effective. Okay, so I'm going to be putting it into the microwave now for 2 minutes. For 2 minutes. So now it's 1:49. So it's very good. At least give in the morning and in the evening. So what I do, I normally give maybe more than 2 oranges. I squish in the cup. Yeah, but this one is just 1 orange. I normally do like 2 so that the juicy can be much. So squeeze and let it drink a lot of it. So but I'm just doing 1. Do it, take it in the morning, take it in the evening. Okay, so it's very, very effective for cough and flu. So we have 19 minutes. 19 minutes. 7 minutes. 5 minutes. 3 minutes. 2 minutes. 1 minute. And that's it. Okay. So bring it back from the microwave. So now you see even some of the juice. It's on the side of the plate, and the orange is so juicy. Now you can see the way it's coming out. Oh my god, it's so hot. So I'm going to squeeze it in the pot, in the cup, so when it cools down, whoever wants to drink it can take it. So this is a remedy for cough and flu. Thank you.